Very good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to study from home. Today, I am going to explain you chapter number 12 for class 5, subject Environmental Studies, EDS. Okay, it is also called EDS. What if it is finished? Here we are talking about the things which will be finished. Okay, what kind of things that finish? Okay, uh, before getting to this thing, let me discuss the student who are traveling by bus, like a bus journey. They were going to picnic, school trip to Adajan Stepwell. You know what is Stepwell? That we already learned in previous chapter. Stepwell, okay, in chapter number 6. So there they were going to Stepwell, Adajan Stepwell, right? And during their journey they were playing a game. What kind of game they were playing? They were playing a counting of vehicle. Some of them count car, some of them count buses, some of them count luxury, some of them count bike, auto rickshaw and bicycle. During this game, a little boy Abraham got bored. Why he got bored? Because he was counting bicycle and there were no bicycle to count except one or two, so he got bored. There were hardly any bicycle. Now what happened when they were playing game? The driver suddenly brake at red light. Okay, red light is a signal. Driver brake at traffic signal. Okay, and it was a big crossing, and we could see the traffic. So their students were looking outside the window, and what they could see traffic, long queue of vehicles which are honking, honk honk. Okay, sound of loud horn and smoke coming out of the vehicle. So in between, they were observing a little boy in a rickshaw was badly coughing. Why this little boy in a rickshaw was coughing? Because excessive smoke coming out from this vehicle, and some people are sensitive and allergic to dust and smoke. See, smoke not smoke is going to harm our health. Like what kind of uh, illness it cause, like breathing problem and asthma, right? Smoke coming out from the factory as well as vehicle have poisonous gas. Okay, it has a poisonous gas and it can causes us breathing problem as well as this asthma. Like some people are allergic to dust. Okay, but this smoke is very harmful for our health. Okay, now let me zoom in. I smell. Then what happened? Uh, someone of them smell something familiar, and he make him remember this smell is came from Baba's tractor in village. So his father must be this farmer. Okay, and he used tractor for returning or plowing the field, right? Now look at the picture on page number 10. What are the different kind of vehicle you see? You can see. So we can see auto rickshaw, bicycle, bikes, okay, truck, luxury car. Okay, what do you think they need to petrol and diesel as a fuel? Yes, car, luxury, bike, auto rickshaw, they need fuel like diesel and petrol, and some of them need CNG, that is called compressed natural gas. Which of the vehicle do you think give off a smoke? Put a red mark on those. Okay, so you a car, luxury and bike put off smoke, give off a smoke. You can circle letter. Which are the vehicle run without petrol and diesel? Only bicycle and pull rickshaw run without diesel and petrol. What problem do we face? The speeding vehicle. Okay, if you speed vehicle, it will cause an accident, right? And if we cause uh, increasing, sorry, if we speeding increasing in number of vehicle, that will cause smoke as well as air pollution and noise pollution. Now next, Tell, do you ride bicycle? If yes, where all do you go on it? Like with a bicycle, we can visit places nearby our home, right? Some people use bicycle to deliver a newspaper, milkman. Okay, how do you come to school? Like we come to school by luxury car, bicycle, moped, and auto rickshaw. How do your family member, like our family member generally use train, buses, and bike, right? What problem can we have from the smoke coming out of vehicle? Okay, it causes breathing problem in animal as well as in human. What kind of problem can we face from noise of vehicle? Honking. Like people become a irritate, short temper, छोटी छोटी बात पे चिड़चिड़ा हो जाना है, चिड़चिड़ापन आ जाना. When unpleasant sound 20 unpleasant, when you hear unpleasant sound for a long period of a time, it will cause irritation, it will cause sometime headache, right? Now on petrol pump, okay, after some time our bus stopped at petrol pump. There was a long queue. Okay, it seems as if we would have a long wait. We all got down from bus, started looking around and the petrol pump, looking around the petrol pump. We saw many large boards and posters. Now, what kind of boards and posters were there? It is all about, poster is all about save fuel, save earth. Clear? See, petrol will not last forever. Save it for your children. Make every drop go for long way. Switch off the, okay, so these are the poster which indicate that petrol and diesel will run out within a few years, right? Why it will run out within a few years? Because the source of petrol is limited, right? The source of petrol is limited. Second thing, we will not find petrol and diesel everywhere, right? So it will run out after a few years. Here student couldn't understand about the poster, so they try to communicate with the uncle who was working at petrol pump, right? So Abraham, a boy who asked uncle, from where do we get petrol and diesel? Uncle replied, from deep down under the ground. Manju, how does it get made there? It is formed naturally but very slowly, right? Like that process take thousands of a year, not thousand but million or a billion years, okay, to get renewed. Okay, it is not made by a human being or machine. It is obtained naturally, right? We can manufacture this petrol and diesel into factory, or we can't produce this petrol and diesel by machine. So Abraham says, then we don't need to buy it. We can take it out ourselves using borewell, like we pump out water, right? Abraham thinks that, the process of extracting petroleum is very easy. Then uncle replied, it is not found everywhere, but only at a few places. Our country, okay, we need a big machine to pump it out and clean it. Okay, you won't find after 30 to 35 feet or 60 feet. Like you need to, drill deep down under the earth. Then you are able to obtain petrol and diesel, right? Next is, now which state of India have oil field? Like state like Jharkhand, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat. These are some places. These are some these are some states, Indian states where we find oil. Okay. Beside oil, what else is found deep inside the earth? Minerals. Okay. Metal. Minerals, metal. Okay. And other substance. Find out the traffic rule and discuss. Okay, traffic rule are we have uh, we we have to follow speed limit. Okay, we cannot we cannot run we cannot break red light. Like when light is blink red, we are supposed to stop the vehicle, right? We cannot, hit people who are on zebra crossing, right? We have to use helmet when we ride bicycle, and we have to tie the seat belt when we drive a car. Okay, we have we must have this driving license, otherwise we cannot drive. Okay, and if you want to driving license, there are some requirement like above 18 plus. Okay, above 18 years can apply. First they need to apply, they need to pass exam, then only they get the license, right? Why should we use petrol and diesel judicially? Because as I told you, the source of a petrol is limited, and we will not find petrol everywhere in the world. Okay, the technique we use, that is very expensive, and that technique is destructive. So for our future generation, right, we have to use petrol and diesel judicially, otherwise it will run out. Okay, the source of petrol will run out. Clear? Student, this is all about today. I will explain you more about this chapter in my next class. Okay, give me a moment. What I will explain you in my next class is treasure from the earth. Like earth, our mother earth provide us very important thing, but that I will explain in my next class. Till then, thank you very much and have a nice day.